Welcome to Androidia. You'd like to design all your designs and templates on Canva with the same color or with the color that you'd like to? So today's video will be about how to filter a design or all your designs with the color that you'd like to. Let me show you. Click here and then click on the plus icon and then grab this color or any code color that you'd like to. Control C, copy the code color, and then come to design and click on this icon, filter. Here click on plus icon and then paste the code color that you copied like this, then apply. Click again on filter icon. So scroll down. Now all the designs will be on the same or will be showed up with the same color that you'd like to. And again, I will add a new page and clear all the format or all the things that I type it here, and then I will choose this template. Okay, so it is with the same color that I want to. And there is another way, simple process, more simpler than that I showed you. Click on design icon, then click on filter. This way no need for code colors. Okay, so click on filter icon, then you can choose from plus the color that you would like to make designs using it, and you can simply choose from suggested colors like this, the white green color, and then again click on filter icon. Here is all the designs with the same color that you'd like to make your designs with. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.